First, introduction. The concept of scope. We've learned how to define functions, but how do variables defined in one function, main, relate to variables defined in another function, calculate tax? This relationship is governed by scope. Scope defines the region of the program where a variable is accessible and valid. In C, there are two main types of variable scope: local and global. Second, local variables, the private room. A local variable is a variable declared inside a function or inside a specific code block, like an if statement or a for loop. Key characteristics. Scope. Accessible only within the function or block where it is defined. Lifetime. They are created when the function is called and destroyed when the function exits. Isolation. Variables in one function are completely separate from variables in another, even if they have the same name. This prevents accidental interference, e.g., integer x in main is different from integer x in func A. Example. Third, global variables, the public bulletin board. A global variable is a variable declared outside of any function, usually at the beginning of the C file, just below the hashtag include statements. Key characteristics. Scope, accessible from any function anywhere in the file, and sometimes across multiple files. Lifetime. They are created when the program starts and destroyed only when the program terminates. Risk, because any function can change a global variable, they can make debugging difficult. It's often hard to track which function is responsible for an unexpected change in the variable's value. Example. Fourth, best practice, minimize global variables. While global variables are sometimes necessary, especially for constants or very specific shared resources, but if you want your code to look clean, then minimize their use as much as possible. Global variables should be reserved primarily for fixed values, like constants that all functions need to know, often declared using the const keyword, const integer max users equals 50. Fifth, summary and next steps. Understanding scope is critical for modular programming. Local variables, private to the function, created and destroyed on each call. Preferred. Global variables, public to the entire file, exist for the program's lifetime. Use sparingly. This concludes our theoretical lessons on the fundamentals of C functions. Our next lesson 5.06. Exercises, no answers.